Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Edge and signing into your profile so collections sync across devices. Once signed in, open the Collections pane via the toolbar icon or Ctrl+Shift+Y. This gets you straight into collecting. Create a new collection and give it a clear, searchable name. This makes later retrieval faster. Next, capture your first item. Drag a tab, right-click a page and choose Add to Collection, or use the Add Current Page button. These first steps set the structure you'll build on. Now focus on organizing and enriching the items you added so the collection becomes actionable. Drag items to reorder, group related cards together, and trim duplicates to reduce clutter. This saves time later. Add short notes to individual cards to capture context and edit titles for searchable keywords. When you need external use, export the collection to Excel or send content to OneNote. These integrations let you turn a passive list into a working document once done. Finish by making your collection available and resilient. Share it with collaborators via a copy or link, or paste items directly into messages. Make sure sync is enabled in Edge settings so your collections appear on other devices. This prevents work loss. If something goes wrong, missing items or sync stalls, sign out and back into your profile, check network access, then clear and re-enable collections in settings. This usually resolves mismatches. With sharing and a quick troubleshooting step, the workflow is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.